This is the moment luxury SUV buyers have been waiting for. Lexus just pulled the wraps off a machine that's about to rewrite the rules of the segment. Picture this: a darkened studio, a single spotlight, and a shape that looks like it drove straight out of the future. This is the 2027 Lexus RX 350, and trust me, once you see what's under that skin, you will never look at a midsize luxury SUV the same way again. For years, the RX has been the quiet king of the segment. Smooth, reliable, refined, but quiet doesn't win headlines anymore. So Lexus did something bold. They took their best-selling SUV on the planet and gave it a next-level transformation: sharper design, smarter tech, and a cabin that feels like it was beamed in from 2035. Let's start with the exterior, because this is where the drama begins. Face has been completely reworked. That signature spindle grille, the one that's defined Lexus for over a decade, has been refined into cleaner, tighter mesh detailing, giving it a more sculpted, almost predatory presence. The headlights are slimmer, sharper, and cut deeper into the fenders, throwing a razor-thin LED signature that practically glows in the dark. It's aggressive, it's futuristic, and it's unmistakably Lexus. Move to the back and the changes continue. The rear bumper trades in the old black plastic cladding for smooth, body-color panels that stretch the RX's stance wider and lower. It looks planted, it looks premium, it looks like a vehicle that means business the second it rolls into a parking lot. And the color palette: bold new metallics and deep, moody tones that shift character depending on the light, subtle in the shade, electric under the sun. This isn't just a facelift, it's a statement. But here's the twist: step inside and everything changes. This is where Lexus went all in. The old dashboard, the one critics love to complain about, is gone, completely reimagined. In its place, a redesigned control layout built around bigger, faster, smarter displays. The infotainment system has been dragged into the next generation, with quicker response times, cleaner graphics, and an interface that finally feels like it belongs in a flagship SUV instead of fighting you for every command. Physical controls have been revised too: more intuitive, more tactile, placed exactly where your hand expects them to be. No more hunting through menus at 70 miles an hour. This is a cabin designed to disappear around you, so all you notice is comfort. And comfort is where Lexus has always dominated. Multi-contour seats, whisper-quiet cabin insulation, soft touch materials wrapped around every surface your hand can reach. This is a rolling sanctuary, the kind of interior that makes a 2-hour commute feel like a 5-minute escape. Now let's talk about what's powering this thing, because Lexus didn't just stop at looks. The standard 2027 RX 350 keeps its proven 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, producing 275 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and your choice of front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. It's punchy, it's smooth, and it's been tuned for exactly the kind of confident, effortless power a luxury SUV should deliver. For buyers who want more efficiency, the RX 350h Hybrid returns with around 246 combined horsepower, blending strong fuel economy with that signature Lexus hybrid smoothness. And if outright performance is the goal, the RX 500h F Sport Performance variant is the one to watch. A turbocharged hybrid system pushing up to 366 horsepower, built for drivers who want their luxury SUV to actually move. Then there's the RX 450h plug-in hybrid, offering genuine electric-only driving for shorter trips, plus the flexibility of a gas engine for longer journeys, the best of both worlds, wrapped in Lexus refinement. This is a lineup engineered to cover every kind of driver, from the daily commuter to the performance chaser, without ever sacrificing that signature Lexus calm. Now safety and tech, because this is where Lexus quietly dominates the competition. Expect the latest generation of Lexus safety system, bringing sharper adaptive cruise control, more responsive lane tracing, smarter pre-collision detection, and a suite of driver assist features that work in the background so seamlessly, you'll barely notice them until the exact moment you need them. Add in next-generation over-the-air software updates, wireless smartphone integration, an available head-up display, and a sound system tuned for total immersion, and you've got a cabin that feels less like a car interior and more like a private command center. So what's this next-level luxury SUV going to cost you? Early estimates put the starting price of the 2027 Lexus RX 350 at around $53,000, just a modest bump over the outgoing model. Not bad, considering the level of technology and refinement being packed in. Higher trims, especially that 500h F Sport Performance variant, will naturally climb higher on the price ladder. Lexus dealers are expected to start receiving units in late 2026 into early 2027, so if you're planning your next SUV purchase, the countdown has already begun. Now let's talk competition, because the RX isn't walking into this fight alone. Tesla's Model X still owns the conversation when it comes to raw electric performance and tech-forward branding, but it can't match the RX's old-school craftsmanship, cabin materials, or that unmistakable feeling of quiet luxury. Toyota's Grand Highlander offers space and value, but it's playing in a different league entirely. This is about mainstream practicality, not premium indulgence. Kia's Telluride and EV9 bring bold styling and strong value into the conversation, putting real pressure on the segment with tech-loaded cabins at a lower price point. And then there's the usual German rivals, the BMW X5 and Mercedes GLE, offering sharper driving dynamics, but often at a steeper price and with a reputation for costlier long-term ownership. Against all of them, the 2027 RX plays its own game. It's not chasing the fastest lap time. It's not chasing the flashiest tech demo. It's chasing something harder to fake total confidence in every single detail, from the way the door shuts to the way the cabin swallows road noise whole. So here's the bold verdict. 2027 Lexus RX 350 isn't reinventing the wheel, it's sharpening one of the best wheels in the business. This is a mid-cycle glow-up done right, bolder styling outside, a genuinely next-level tech overhaul inside, a powertrain lineup flexible enough for commuters, hybrid enthusiasts, and performance seekers alike, and a price tag that still undercuts most of its European rivals. Is it the flashiest SUV on the market? No. But is it one of the smartest, most refined, most quietly dominant luxury SUVs you can buy in 2027? Absolutely. If you want an SUV that turns heads without ever raising its voice, this is it. The 2027 Lexus RX 350 isn't just an update, it's a statement that quiet confidence still wins. And that right there is a game changer.